Squarespace last year launched something called Fluid Engine. At first, I was dead set against Fluid Engine. I thought it was terrible. There were loads of glitches, and I was really stuck in my ways. But as the months have gone on, Squarespace have made tons of fantastic updates, and now I use it around 70% of the time on all of my Squarespace builds for clients. And I'm still discovering things about Fluid Engine day to day. And one thing that I did discover the other day was the ability to copy blocks, not just within a section, but between sections. This isn't actually something that you click. It's a command on your keyboard, and this isn't obvious because on the old or the classic version of the Squarespace editor, you were able to drag your blocks from one section to the other. You can't actually do this, to my knowledge, on Fluid Engine at the time of recording this. However, you can copy blocks and duplicate them within a section, which is great. But if you want to move a block to another section, it looks, to all intents and purposes, that you can't. But when I was having a play around on a dummy site the other day, I come across a really simple solution that allowed me to copy and paste as many items as I wanted between sections. And I thought to myself, well, why not share it? So let's go through a quick tutorial and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so we're in the editor and I'm going to show you how to duplicate blocks between sections. If I go down here and I make a new section, so let's say we have this, and then let's say we make a blank section beneath, and I want to duplicate this image down here. So first off, maybe I'm going to set the section up and I'm just going to put, I don't know, new section, and then have that. And I'm thinking, okay, yeah, I want this exact size image. So when we click on the image, you can see that we can duplicate it. That's fine. We click this, we can move that about. Fantastic. But when we go to drag it down to the next section, we can't do it. It simply extends the current section, and this can be a real pain in the backside. So what you can do, your option is you duplicate the entire section, you get rid of what you don't want, which can take quite a lot of time if the section is full of blocks that you don't want. Or you can do what I do, which is to simply copy. So I'm going to click this, I'm going to hold Command and I'm going to press C. And then I'm going to click into this section here and I'm going to hold Command and V. And that actually pastes it into the new section. Now, I was just playing around with this and found it. I haven't actually seen anything from Squarespace to tell users how to do this. So it's almost like a bit of a hidden gem, like a bit of a secret. I mean, I might look like an idiot if Squarespace have actually promoted this, but to my knowledge, they haven't. So what you can do then is move that about however you wish. You can duplicate it as many times as you want. So duplicate, move that about. And let's say I actually think, oh, actually, I've got all this together. I think this looks pretty cool. And I want to re-put that into the section above. What we can do is highlight everything. We can do Command and C. This is on Mac. On other computers, it may be something like Shift and maybe something like Control and C, or however you copy and paste text. So when I'm going to copy and paste text, I'll highlight, I'll click Command and C and Command and V. However you do this on your computer, just do the exact same for this. But anyway, I digress. So we were going to highlight all of this. Then it's Command and C. We go back up here. We press Command and V, and it actually copies and pastes all of that content. It doesn't just have to be one block, it can be groups. And then you can move this around, you can sort of bring this to the forefront, you can move everything around how you want. That is completely up to you. But the actual copying and pasting, it's almost like I say, like kind of a hidden trick to get around the fact that you can't drag blocks between sections. And I think it's actually quicker than dragging blocks anyway. So even when Squarespace do sort of patch this, I'm going to keep using this shortcut. So that's how you copy and paste blocks between sections. Hopefully that's helped. And good luck using this in your site and if you're a designer in your client's sites. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and check out all the resources in the description of this video.